Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we're going to be making Greek yogurt from plain yogurt or regular yogurt. On my table here I've measured out 3 cups of powdered milk. I'm using powdered milk for this. I've measured out 3 cups with this cup. Here is a 250 ml cup. So I've measured out 3 cups of powdered milk here. And for these 3 cups, I'm going to be using 3 cups of cold water and 3 cups of hot boiling water. I'm also going to be using this unsweetened yogurt as for the culture, the yogurt starter, low fat, no sugar, unsweetened from Farm Fresh. So let's get started. Pour in the milk and mix it first with the cold water. I'm using my whisk. You can use spatula, anything that you can use to dissolve the milk very well before adding it to the yogurt and the hot water. Adding the remaining cold water because I have finished dissolving the milk. To pour in the yogurt after mixing with cold water. I'm using this. This is half cup, and this half cup is equal to 6 tablespoons. Is equal to 6 tablespoons of this 15 ml of tablespoon. So for each 1 cup of milk I used 2 tablespoons. I mix it. Now I'm going to pour this one. I'm going to pour the hot water. This is the hot water. I just brought it out from the stove. And this is also 3 cups. We now mix everything together. I have a video on how to make yogurt, the regular yogurt, in my channel. I'll put the link in this video. You can also check it out. That one is also very simple. This is the kind of updated method, and also because I'm making Greek yogurt. That one I didn't make Greek yogurt from it. Now that we have finished mixing everything, we'll now cover it. And the next step will be to wrap it so well so that it will keep warm. And we're also going to leave it for 15 hours for the culture to ferment and sit the yogurt. If you have blankets, you can use blankets and wrap it round to keep it warm, and then keep it in a very warm place, maybe your kitchen cabinet, your oven, or microwave, anywhere that you know that is the warmest place in your house. I'm going to use what I have to wrap them. I'll start with my kitchen towel. Be careful not to throw away the yogurt or the yogurt in the making. Keep covering with whatever towel you have available.
spoon like this.
Amplify with more bags because I don't have a heavy blanket or warmer. It. I don't know how many bags I use. I don't know how many bags I use, but for this yogurt to sit, it doesn't matter the number of bags you use. You cannot use too much bags or blankets, but you can use less of it. So try to make sure that you put it into something that will keep it warm so that the yogurt will form. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to put it in my kitchen cabinet. I will leave it there for 15 good hours. This is night, so it will be till morning when I'll open the place. I like to make the yogurt at night so that nothing will disturb the place I will put it. We will not need to be opening up the place and closing it down. So see you tomorrow. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here we are again after 15 hours to check the yogurt. Now I'm going to open the bag. Let's see together whether the yogurt formed or not, whether it's set or not. We use several bags, so it's opening. This one is unboxing. Oh my god. Unbagging. Okay, this one is unbagging, not unboxing. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah it is. Yeah, we have it. Oh my god. Can you see? Can you see? This has a little liquid on top which is called whey. But look at the yogurt. So thick. After 15 hours. This is plain yogurt. It's ready. Then we go to our next stage. Remember we said we are making Greek yogurt. Now we are going to start the process to turn this plain yogurt into a Greek yogurt. What are we going to do? This one is enough now. I'm going to use this quantity for the Greek yogurt. So all I'm going to do is to pour it into this bag. This is a kind of milk bag or chiffon bag. And this is to extract the liquid from this yogurt. You can see it's already dropping. So we'll leave it here, and we'll leave it inside this place for about 7 hours. By then all the liquid in it would have extracted, and we'll have only the Greek yogurt remaining. It's extracting the lactose and the fat from the yogurt. That's why the Greek yogurt is more healthier than the plain yogurt, but they are all good, don't get me wrong. So we're going to keep this now on our kitchen counter for 7 hours. I'll now show you the outcome. And then I'm also going to remove some of this to act as our culture for when next I'm going to make yogurt. I will not need to buy from the store again. I'll use this one to make another yogurt whenever I want to make yogurt. Anytime you make yogurt, you remove some batch from it to act as your starter or culture for the next yogurt. And then I'll sweeten this remaining one for our own enjoyment now. You can sweeten this with any sweetener of your choice. You can use sugar, you can use honey, you can use jaggery, you can use dates. For this one I'm going to use dates. I made a date paste in one of my videos. Check it out. I'll also put the link here. I'm going to use it to sweeten this yogurt. Let's see how it will look here. Thank you. So this is the date. I'm putting 2 tablespoons of the date. Now mix it. I'm adding little vanilla to it. So here we have our vanilla yogurt.
Vanilla flavored yogurt.
Vanilla sweetened yogurt. Mix it very well and then store it in any of your containers. And here we have our Greek yogurt ready. You can see how thick it is after 7 hours of extracting the liquid. This you can also sweeten with any sweetener of your choice. I like using honey for this. You can use sugar. Just use any sweetener of your choice and enjoy your yogurt. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit on the like button. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. Thank you all. God bless you. Bye-bye.